June the 4th. All that night the Lord drove the sea back. Exodus chapter 14, verse 21. In this verse, there is a comforting message showing how God works during darkness. The real work of God for the children of Israel did not happen when they awoke that morning to find they could cross the Red Sea, but it occurred all that night. There may be a great work occurring in your life when things seem their darkest. You may see no evidence yet, but God is at work. God was just as much at work all that night as he was the next day when the Israelites finally saw the evidence. The next day simply revealed what God had done during the night. Are you listening to this from a place in your life where everything seems dark? Do you have faith to see, but are still not seeing? Are you lacking continual victory in your spiritual growth? Is your daily quiet communion gone, and there is nothing but darkness all around? All that night the Lord drove the sea back. Don't forget, it was all that night. God works through the night until the morning light dawns. You may not see it yet, but through the night of your life, as you trust him, he works. CHP. All that night the Lord was working in the tempest blast, working with the swelling current, flooding, flowing, free and fast. All that night God's children waited, hearts perhaps in agony, with the enemy behind them and in front, the cruel sea. All that night seemed blacker darkness than they ever saw before, though the light of God's own presence near them was, and sheltered o'er. All that night, that weary vigil passed, the day at last did break, and they saw that God was working all that night a path to make. All that night, O child of sorrow, can you not your heartbreak stay? Know your God in darkest midnight works as well as in the day. L.S.P.